Ready to streamline your clinical note writing? Let me show you how to create clinical note templates in Nookal so that you can write your notes with ease. You can create clinical note templates by going to Manage, Clinical Templates. You can see all your existing templates here, which can be easily edited by clicking on the template. You can also create a new template by clicking on this button down below. But first, let me show you how to upload a chart, which we can then add into our clinical note template. Now that we have our chart uploaded, let's create our new clinical note. The first thing we'll need to do is give it a name, assign a discipline, and select the relevant locations. Next, we can start constructing our template by adding in fields. You'll notice as we start creating the template, you'll see a preview appear on the right-hand side of the page to help keep you on track. Each time you add a field, you can decide what type of field it should be. For example, a heading, date and time, chart, text, multiple choice, and so on. Let's start by adding in a date and time field. I'm also going to give this a label, which you'll see appear on the right-hand side. Next, I'll add in a text field, as well as a heading to know what the free text field is for. If you wanted to, you could even add in some default text that will auto-populate in the field when you write your note. Let's add another field. This time I will select the checkbox field. I will then need to add in all the possible options on the list by clicking on the plus symbol. I'm also going to add some help text, which will appear just underneath the field in a smaller font. Finally, let's add in our chart and select the body chart that we uploaded earlier. Now, if you accidentally add in a field that you don't want, you can click on the Remove Field button and delete it from the template. If you need to make any other changes, you can click on the relevant field and it will expand and collapse the field for you to edit or remove. Finally, you can change the order of the fields by clicking on the arrow on the right-hand side and dragging the field into your preferred order. Once you've reviewed the finished template, don't forget to save the changes, and once you have, you'll be able to start using that template to write your clinical notes. Let's take a look at what our new clinical note template looks like.